I assure you, you can actually learn how to make this purse even when you never know how to sew before. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, you are going to learn how to make this beautiful purse from start to finish. By the way, my name is Grace, so without further ado, let's get into the video. I have my lining piece and my main piece here. I cut two pieces. The wideness of it is 8 inch, while the length of it is also 8 inch. So I'm actually working 8 by 8. I have a medium weight interfacing. I also have a tape because this material actually stretch. So I'm going to be using this tape to stop it from being stretched. I've done ironing my stay on it and also my paper stay. So it's time for us to sew. This is how I'm going to sew. I'm placing my zip a right side facing. Yes, the zipper head is facing my main piece. So I'm going to place my lining like this and sew. You can do it that way, but me, I'm going to sew it one by one. Have you seen it? This method is perfect for me so that I can see what I'm doing. After stitching it like that, I'm going to flip it. Following the same seam allowance, I'm going to stitch it down. And when that is done, guys, look at what we have. It's looking beautiful already. I'm actually pinning it. So that the lining will not interfere when I want to join the other side of my piece. So I'm going to also repeat the same process on this other piece. When that is done, look at what we have here. So we'll be attaching the lining the same way, and in this way lining is facing lining while the main piece is also facing the main piece. Okay, right side facing. For the lining, any side can be the right side. So I'm going to pin it like this. After pinning it, I'm going to flip it to the right side. Following the same seam allowance, I'm going to stitch it down. It's very simple. Guys, you can unstitch this spots. You don't really need to have a sewing machine. So when that is done, I'm going to follow that same seam allowance and stitch it down. I'm also done stitching, so I'm actually pinning it so that everything will relax flat, because we are taking it to the machine and top stitch. We are going to top stitch it very close to the zip, but will not touch the zip. Okay, ensure that you top stitch this purse because it will help you when you are zipping your purse. The lining will stay right inside. So we are done top stitching and it's looking very beautiful. So we are flipping it this way and make sure that the lining, the zip, make sure that the zip is in the middle like this. Stitch all corners and leave about 4 to 5 inch for turn up. All right, so when I'm done stitching, I'm actually cutting this sharp edge so that I can flip it to the right side, and also that everything can also remain flat and neat. So we are flipping it now to the right side. When we flip it to the right side, this lining side, and make sure that it is the lining side that you are flipping. Stitch your material all round and keep space at this lining, and this lining, make sure that it's at the bottom of it so that you can stitch it down. So I'm going to fold in like this and stitch it down. Guys, that is all for the making of this purse, and it came out beautiful. Look at how beautiful it is. If this video is helpful, do not fail to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. See you all in my next video. Bye.